Open up the top.
I don't know what it is.
You should be having video.
I am videoing.
You are? Good job.
I know what it is.
What is it?
I don't know. Look at all of it. See what it is.
You're doing a good job keeping all the papers together.
Open the box up.
Okay, open the box up. Can you read what this says?
That's the animal house.
It's Noah's Ark.
It's the Noah's Ark. Daddy, it's the Noah's Ark.
And look at all the animals.
I forgot to get the kangaroos out.
Oh, you did? That's okay.
The kangaroos in my bag. Just like, yes, you got an animal.
And look, the top comes off.
Look at that giraffe, Daddy.
Look,
Very cool.
the top comes off and all the animals are in there. And there's a picture of Noah and his wife.
Look,
And they can all go
the
down
cute giraffe.
the ramp. Look at that.
What is that? What is that?
That's Noah.
That's Noah. Yes, this.
He put all the animals in the ark, 2 by 2.
Look at the turtle.
Right. And what are these?
Panda.
That's right. And what are these?
The pilot.
That's right.
Guess so. These much.
Do those match?
No.
No. Where's the other elephant?
It's the match.
There, yeah. Those are the 2 elephants. They're matching. Look at that. We put the top back on?
No.
No? Okay. Good job.
What's the hippopotamus say?
What does the hippopotamus say?
I don't know.
Yeah, me either.
Caitlin, who gave you that?
Cheese.
Where'd that come from?
I don't know.
Who gave you the presents?
Who came last night and gave you the presents?
I don't know.
Are they from Santa?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Say thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Sarah.
And say happy birthday, Jesus.
Happy birthday, Jesus.
Do you want to